Welcome to Elegant Media. We're excited to start this journey with you. We're proud to say we've delivered #1 ranking and top grossing apps for our clients. The first step of our process is we'll assign you a project manager as your primary contact to ensure from start to finish your project runs smoothly. We believe that collaboration is the key to success, so we welcome your feedback in the process to ensure that we're creating the best product possible for you. We schedule our work in fortnightly cycles, ensuring that swift and speedy progress is being made on your project, and we're constantly moving towards completion. Your project will go through our 6 stages of development: ideation, wireframe, design and planning, development, deployment, and post-deployment improvements. To get things started, your project manager will reach out to you and gather all the essential information we need, such as access to accounts and login credentials. Our team is dedicated to your success. Every great app started with a great idea. The first thing to establish is, what does success look like? An app is an ever-evolving thing that responds to user feedback. So a good approach is to create something that has the essentials and then add more elements after it's been released to users. This can also be explored through an MVP or minimum viable product for your project, which can help determine the essential features you need to launch your idea. Facebook, Google and Instagram didn't begin as they are now. They started small and listened to their users. We encourage you to believe in the strength of your idea. Challenges will pop up along the way, but we're here to support you through this and find solutions. Successful entrepreneurs see problems as a challenge to overcome and build better products because of them. Now that you have an idea of the app you're ready to develop, it's time to work with us to bring it to life. The first stage of the process is the wireframe stage. In this stage, you'll work with your team to create the layout of the app that demonstrates the different interface elements that will exist on each screen. We'll also work with you to ensure you're set up for success, helping you identify the market and your app's unique selling propositions and business goals. Elegant Media's collaborative process means you'll be able to turn your vision for your app into reality. Together, we workshop your Wireframes design until all your queries have been answered. If you have any questions on the Wireframes or any aspect of the process, your project manager will be ready to help. Design and planning is where your idea really starts coming to life. In this stage, you'll start to see your wireframe evolve into concept designs, updated with elements you've selected from the style guide, so you can really see how your app is going to look and feel. We'll then send you your design prototype, which one of our team will load onto your device. This will give you a clear idea of the working application. Our team will then listen to your thoughts and feedback on this prototype and implement the changes that you would like made. Finally, and most importantly, you'll receive your finalized designs, complete with all your feedback, along with an FRD or functional requirements document, which is a complete statement of how your app will work and leaves nothing to assumption. The development stage is very exciting. We're now seeing your app fully come to life. We'll keep you informed every step of the way during development, sharing your progress builds of your app every fortnight for your review. At the start of each fortnight, our team will let you know what functionalities they will be working across each working period. You'll get access to a staging server and we'll host your app here free of charge, allowing you to see demo builds through each iteration to ensure you're happy with progress at every stage. This process is pushing your idea ever forward to a minimum viable product, which will then be suitable for launch. And of course, at any stage if you need information on progress or have questions about the app build, just reach out to your project manager. Once the development stage is complete, it's time for the app to be pushed live. This is the exciting stage. The world gets to see your idea come to life. Start generating buzz about the app's launch by posting on social media to let everyone know it's available. Now is also a great time to learn more about app marketing. Great marketing can help you bring as much awareness to your app launch as possible. Before deployment, the team at Elegant Media thoroughly checks and monitors for any issues so that it's ready for your users. Keep in mind that it's a normal part of the deployment stage to discover things you would like to improve upon in the next version of the app. We will work on these insights and discoveries to further refine your app functionalities. Together with your team at Elegant Media, we can take user feedback and work towards making your app the best it can be in the next stage of development, post-development improvement. Your app has now been deployed and users have had a chance to give their feedback. We can now start to tweak and adjust your app based on the market's response, refining and perfecting the user experience and functionality to set up this project for success. To set this project up for success. This is also the stage where non-critical features of the app can be implemented, as the app is already live and attracting users. Our team will now work with you to discuss the future paths that can be taken to improve the app. Every app is constantly changing and evolving in response to its user, even after deployment. So the fun has just begun, and we can't wait to see how your app performs.